Hi, my name is Zishen and this is my self-reflective video for the Differential Scanning Calorimeter or DSC practical section. In this practical, we use DSC to study the thermal property of the chocolate. First, we weigh about 15 milligrams of chocolate and place it evenly into a standard aluminum pan. The pan was then sealed using a crimper, while an empty aluminum pan was prepared as the reference. The actual DSC measurement was carried out by the instructor, and the DSC thermogram was provided to us for analysis and interpretation. From the DSC thermogram provided, we observe an endothermic peak, which represents the melting of chocolate. The onset temperature indicates the point where melting begins. The peak temperature corresponds to the maximum heat flow during the melting process. The area under the peak, also known as the enthalpy change, represents the amount of energy required for melting. These parameters help us understand the melting behavior and thermal stability of chocolate. Based on the thermogram, the chocolate shows a clear melting transition within the expected temperature range. This melting behavior is mainly influenced by the cocoa butter composition in chocolate. Even though we did not operate the instrument ourselves, the provided data clearly demonstrated how DSC can detect thermal transitions accurately. In addition, this result also helped me link the DSC data to real-life chocolate properties. For example, the melting behavior observed explains why chocolate melts smoothly at body temperature but remains solid at room temperature. This makes the experiment more relatable and helped me better appreciate how DSC data can be applied in food science and product quality evaluation. My modest point was interpreting the DSC curve, especially identifying the exact onset temperature and understanding how the shape of the curve relates to physical changes in chocolate. It required careful observation to move beyond simply recognizing the peak. What surprised me the most was how much information could be obtained from a single DSC curve, even with a very small sample size. Overall, this practical helped me understand the thermal behavior of chocolate and the importance of proper sample preparation and data interpretation in DSC analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.